So as you can see, this is the menu of my website and I saved it. I selected automatically add to the top, but it is not showing on my website here. No menu is showing. I refresh it and I have customized it everything. I have created new menu. I have added my 4 pages here, but nothing is showing here in my website. So what I need to do, I need to install one plugin. I need to go to plugin section, go to plugin and click on add plugin. So I need to click search here Elementor header and footer builder. So this is the plugin by Turbo add-ons header and footer. So this is the plugin which you need to install. Make sure to install this plugin only. You can see the logo of this plugin and by Turbo add-ons and click on this install now. So installation is complete. Now click on active button, click on allow and continue. Now you need to again go to the appearances and menu once. I need to do some changes in menu. So in menu you need to scroll down here you need to select header from here and remove this automatically, and because I will add it in header and click on this save menu option. So now you need to again go to this turbo header and footer. You can see it is now showing because I have activated. Now click on header template. Now click on this add new header template. So herein you need to first of all in header name you need to write anything. I have written just main header. Include pages, leave this option empty. Herein you need to select entire side, and in exclude pages you need to leave it empty. In header style you need to click on make header sticky and click on create. So herein you need to click on this container. So drag here container. Herein direction should be horizontal. Now right click here and click on add a new container. Once again do this, right click here and click on add a container. So you have now two places here, two containers showing. So herein you can see menu is showing here, just try and drop it here. So herein look for the menu in search bar, look for menu, just you can drag and drop this menu to the right hand side and just click on menu. You can see now my everything is showing here, health pro, everything is showing here properly. Or you can delete this one as well, or you can paste it like drag it here as well in right hand side if you want. Wherever you want to place it you can place it. My now everything is showing for me. My menu bar is properly showing. You can edit the menu bar according to your requirement. There is an option to edit. So I hope friends now you will be able to show up this on your website. Just click on publish option now. If you do not see it, you can go to your Elementor settings. Go to the Elementor. So go to Elementor here and go to the settings option in Elementor. So herein you can see header template is not enabled. So just tap on this header, or you can also enable this footer and just click on save changes. So header and footer is now enabled. So now you can see this is my website. Now it is showing this menu option is showing here perfectly fine, nothing, no problem at all. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.